In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Behance account. If you no longer need your Behance profile and want to remove it permanently, I'll walk you through the process clearly so you know exactly where to click and what to expect. This is a quick task, but it's still important to read each screen carefully because deleting an account is usually permanent and may remove your profile, projects, and other account data. To begin, sign into your Behance account. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before continuing, especially if you manage more than one profile or use multiple Adobe-related services in the same browser. Taking a second to confirm this now can help you avoid deleting the wrong account by mistake. Once you're logged in, go to the top right corner of the screen and find your profile icon. Hover your mouse over that icon to open the account menu, then select Settings. This will take you to your account settings page where the account management options are located. After you're inside settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Near the lower section, you'll find an area labeled Delete Account. Click the option that says, I want to delete my Behance account. When you click it, the section will expand and show you the final deletion steps. At this point, take a moment to read through the reminders shown on the page before proceeding. These messages are there to help you understand what will happen after your account is deleted. If there's anything in your portfolio or account that you may want to keep, this is a good time to make sure you've already saved it elsewhere. When you're ready to continue, check the box confirming that you agree to the terms and conditions related to account deletion. Then, in the text field provided, type your Behance username exactly as requested. This step is used to confirm that you really want to remove the account. After entering your username, click Delete My Account. Once you do that, your Behance account deletion request will be submitted and the process should be complete. And that's it. That's how to delete your Behance account. Just remember to review the deletion notice carefully before confirming, since this action may not be reversible. If this is part of a cleanup of old online accounts, it's always a good idea to double check that you've saved anything important first.